Within the application process or during handling, defects may occur due to transport or shoring. A repair of these defects can be very time-consuming. The DELTA-PROTEKT Repair offers fast help to repair defects. As an example, a bolt has uncoated spots after spray application on a rack. A panel shows uncoated areas of different size. The surface must be clean and dry. All dirt, dust, rust, oil grease and silicones shall be removed. Shake vigorously for at least 3 minutes before use, so that the mixing ball inside the can is audible. The position of the part shall make it easy to access all areas that need to be refinished. For safety reasons, it is advisable to wear suitable clothing, protective gloves, respiratory protection and eye protection. In addition, the spray can shall only be used outdoors or in well-ventilated areas. Within the coating process, keep a distance of 15 to 25 centimeters to the component. To ensure a uniform application, a short test spray on a piece of cardboard is recommended. Further, make sure that it is painted opaque, either a spot repair or in a cross coat for larger areas. Overcoating shall be avoided. After coating, the surface shall be dried for at least 60 minutes at room temperature or at least 10 minutes at 80 degrees centigrade.